My name is Sarju Darsandia. Today I will talk about the GUI based Snake game project. Here I have used the Pygame module. Pygame module is the Python game development library which contains the computer graphics and sound library. Then I have used the random module. Then I have used the OS module. OS module is for interacting with operating system. Then I have used the Pygame mixer. It is used to play audio file. I have used the three types of color in my game: white, red and black. And this part is for creating playing window. I have created the playing window with 600 and with 900. Then this is for playing window. It will take two arguments, screen width and screen height, which we have given above. Then this part is for background image. I have used this background image in my project. It will take a screen width and screen height, which will be same as a playing screen. Then this is for giving a game title. I have given the game title as a snake game. Then the pygame.display update, it will update the screen and display the game title. Yes, this is the game title which we have given. Then this is the font where it is used to giving style and font size, etc. Then I have created the function text screen which will take text color x and y as a argument. X and y is the axis that where we have to show text. I have created the plot snake function which will create the rectangle. This type of rectangle will be created by the plot snake function which size is 1. Next function is a welcome function. Then we have give the exit game equal to false. I have created the while loop and give the condition that exit is equal to false. Then the game window which is take color code as a argument and fill this color in the window. Then we call the text screen function and given the text as a welcome to snake, color is a black and x and y axis is the 260° and 250°. It will print the text like that. Then I have used the event method. If the event dot type equal to pygame dot tweet, then the game will be stop and it will exit. If the event dot key equal to pygame dot k spacebar, k space means the spacebar. If the user give the spacebar, then the game loop will be called and the game will be start. Then the clock tick function, it will show that how often while loop will be updated. Then I have created the game loop function. I have created this type of variable in the game loop function. This is the velocity variable. This is the velocity y variable. Then I have created snake list. Then I have created snake length. This part is for checking high score. If the highscore.txt file is exists, then it will display the high score, or else the file is not exist, then it will display the high score as 0. Then this is for creating food for snake. This type of food will be created by this part and it will generate any random location in the playing screen. Then the score equal to 0, int velocity equal to 4, then the snake size equal to 30. Here I have created the while loop. In the while loop, I have given the condition if game is over, then it will write the high score and save in the highscore.txt, and it will show the white screen. And then I have called the text screen function. It will display the game over. Please enter to continue this text. And in the else part, I have created the 4 keys to play the game. First is the right key. If we press the right key, then the snake will move to the x-axis in the right direction, and the y-axis is a 0, same as the left key. If the user press the left key, then the snake moves in the x direction in the left side, and the y-axis is a 0. Same as the up and down key. If the user press up or down key, the snake will go to the up or down. The x-axis will be 0. Then we have give the snake x equal to snake x plus velocity y, and same as the snake y. Then this part is for score updation. If the snake x minus food y less than 20 and the snake y minus food y less than 20, it means the snake has grabbed the food. So the score will update by 10. And the length of the snake will be increased by 5. If the score greater than high score, then the score will be updated as a high score. Then the game window.fill white, it will display the screen with a white color, and we have written the text screen function which will show the score and high score. Like this part will be done by this function. Then I have created the head list. I have given the value snake x and snake y in the head list. Then I have given the head list value to the snake list. Then this part is for game over. Like if the snake touches itself, then the game over equal to true, and the game over dot wave file will be called. It is an audio file. Same if the snake touches any side of playing window, then also the game is over and play this audio file game over dot wave. Then the pygame dot quit, it will exit the game. And the last I have called the welcome function. Then at last I will show the demo. Yeah, firstly you can see the welcome screen will be shown. Then if the user press the space bar, then the game will start. You can see that when the snake grab the food, the length of the snake will be increased. After the game over, this screen and text will be displayed. If the user want to play again, then he or she have to press enter. So again the welcome screen will be called and the next game will be start. You can find the GitHub link of this project in the description. Thank you.